Hola, bienvenidos a Español. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to access the ebook and the assignment feedback that your instructor or Connect may leave you. To get started, let's head over to Blackboard. Once inside of your course inside of Blackboard, you can look over to the left-hand side menu to see if your instructor has a Connect link. It might be labeled MH Connect, McGraw-Hill, or something similar. Go ahead and click on this link if your instructor has one for you. On the page that opens, you can click on the McGraw-Hill Connect library to be taken over to Connect. Alternatively, if your instructor did not have a link for Connect or McGraw-Hill, then you can go ahead and click on Course Materials. Inside of Course Materials, you can click on the McGraw-Hill Connect library link that your instructor should have, possibly above the folders for each of the chapters. If you don't see it there, then click on one of the chapters and see if you can find McGraw-Hill Connect library link inside of one of those chapter folders. Once you've located the link, go ahead and click on it to be taken over to Connect. Once inside of Connect, you can go ahead and click on the ebook to open it. Now, if pop-ups are disabled inside of your browser, you may need to allow pop-ups since the ebook will open in a new tab. Once you open up the ebook, it will open the first time to the very first page in the ebook. You'll need to click on the menu here to access other parts. For example, in Capítulo 2, I can see the introduction. That'll be the first page of the chapter. Vocabulario Preparación will show me the vocabulary from the chapter, where I'll be able to click on different links to hear the vocabulary and how it's pronounced in Spanish. There will also be other sections, including the pronunciation section, the grammar section, and another important one will be the In Resumen pages at the very end. That will summarize your grammar and the page numbers that you can find the different grammar topics, as well as vocabulary topics, and then it'll also have your basic breakdown of your grammar from the chapter and vocabulary from the chapter. Now that we've seen how to access the ebook, let's head back over to Blackboard to see how to check your instructor's feedback or Connect feedback after submitting assignments. Inside of my course in Blackboard, I can go ahead and click on Course Materials. Inside of Course Materials, I'll locate the folder where the assignment is that I would like to have feedback on. So for this example, we're going to locate Capítulo 10. Inside of Capítulo 10, I'm going to scroll down and locate the assignment that I'm searching for. In this case, the Capítulo 10 Speaking Assessment. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Then click Launch to be taken over to Connect. Inside of Connect, I can go ahead and click View to view my performance results. This will open up all of my Connect performance results. From here, I can go ahead and click on the assignment, for example, Essay 10, and I can view my attempt. For web students, for speaking and writing assessments, you'll be necessary to go ahead and click to question number 2. Inside of question number 2, I can see overall instructor remarks. Please be sure to listen to audio feedback that I have left you, and I can click play to listen to that audio feedback. Now, if your instructor does not leave audio feedback, then you should see any written feedback that your instructor leaves you here. Now, if this had been a Connect Preparaciones assignment or Connect Repaso assignment, a CP or CR assignment, then I could also click through the assignment, and for each question, then I can click Show Correct Answers to see what was wrong. Alright, that concludes this video. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your instructor.